Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how you can change your username in WordPress in order to log in with a different username in your account. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to change your username, in order to log into your WordPress site, you have to log into your user admin in WordPress, only your user admin, not any permission below that, and go inside the dashboard. Right here below users you can see that you have all the user list. Now I just want to make sure if I want to change this specific username, or for an example if this person cannot log in and he forgot his username, I can do it as well and send it to him as a new username. Just to let you know, you cannot change your username from here, so I will show you a different technique that you can change it by using the plugin that's called Search and Replace. So just go below plugins, add a new plugin right here, and search the plugin that's called Search and Replace. Down here, you can use this specific plugin that I use or other plugin that does the same function, so just go inside here, tools, after you have downloaded it, installed it, and activated it, and go inside here, search and replace page, and the search and replace tab. Now, as you remember, I have this specific string that I need to search and change it to any user I want. For an example, Itay instead of Itay123. So just here you have to select the right table. So I need to search for the table that's called users with the extension WP. This is it. And drag run, deactivated of course. And you will be able to save the changes in the database, not export it as an SQL file. Now click on do search and replace, and this will change your username in order to be able to log in to the new username. Right here I go inside users, and as you can see it has changed my username, so I can now log in with my new username that I have just created. And this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to change your username in order to log into your WordPress site. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below and I will comment. And on the first comment I put a link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.